welcome back to my channel. My name is Devika, and if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join the family. So today I'll be showing you guys the Smudge Kohl liner look. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So starting with my brows, I'm using this brow pencil from Blue Heaven Cosmetics. I love their brow pencil and I'm using in shade brown, and also it's very affordable and very handy. Starting with the second step, that is applying Kajal to your lower lash line, and I'm using this Kajal from Faces Canada, and it gets really difficult for me to apply Kajal because my eyes are really watery. So finally I managed to apply Kajal on both of my eyes and it looks so pretty. So you will start applying Kajal on the lash line, and it doesn't have to be perfect because you have to smudge it anyways. So to smudge this out, I will be using a pencil brush, and if you do not have a pencil brush, you can also use a earbud. I will continue to smudge it till I am happy with the thickness. This is the final result after smudging Kajal on my upper and lower lash line. Do not forget to warm up your crease with any bronzer, or also you can use a brown eyeshadow. And then I'm going to use a little bit of highlighter to highlight my brow bones. So now I will finish it up with some mascara. Before that, I will be curling my lashes. So I'm using Maybelline Hyper Curl mascara. Ignore my serious face.